Hello everyone, welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today I want to share with you bride's cake recipe. It will be one of your favorite cakes. It has an amazing taste and look. To be informed about my new recipes, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications by clicking the bell icon. So let's get started. Let's take 4 eggs into the whisking bowl. Now add 1 cup of sugar and 1 pack of vanilla on it. Let's whisk it at high speed of the mixer for 4 to 5 minutes until the sugar in it melts and becomes foamy. It should be as you can see in the video. Then let's sift 2 cups of flour and a pack of baking powder and add them. Again, whisk until you get a smooth consistency. Our cake mix is ready. Let's just oil the bottom part of a rectangular Pyrex with oil. I didn't grease the edges, I just oiled the bottom. The reason I do this is so that our cake will rise evenly while baking in the oven. Let's pour the cake mortar on it. Let's fix it with a spatula. For now, our cake looks thin, but it will rise very nicely when it is baked. Then, let's bake it in the 175-degree preheated oven for about 25-30 minutes until it is lightly browned. Let's make the toothpick tests and take it from the oven. Now we'll let our cake cool. Meanwhile, let's take 2.5 cups of milk, that is half a liter of milk, on a separate bowl. Let's add half a teacup of sugar on it and mix it well until the sugar melts. Our milk is cold, by the way. Now make holes with toothpicks on our cake. We are gonna pour our cold sugared milk over our cake that has cooled. Look, it absorbed the milk very quickly. Let's let it wait like this for about 20 minutes for our cake to fully absorb the milk. In the meantime, we are gonna prepare the pudding of our cake. I take 1 liter of milk into the pot. Let's add 2 full tablespoons of starch on it, as you can see in the video. Add 1 cup of sugar and 3 tablespoons of flour on it. Now add 1 egg yolk and mix it well with the whisk. Let's take it to the stove now. We stir it over medium heat until it boils. After it starts to boil, we are gonna add a pack of vanilla and cook it on low heat for 2-3 minutes, stirring occasionally. Let's get it from the stove later. I took my pudding in a separate bowl for it to cool down quickly. Let's cover it with plastic wrap, as you can see in the video, so that it doesn't dry on top. We are gonna let it cool like this. Let's add a pack of cooking cream on our pudding. You can use a pack of powdered whipped cream instead of cooking cream. Then, I whisk it with the mixer for 3-4 minutes. Now, let's pour our pudding on our cake and adjust it well. I sprinkled plenty of grated coconut on it. Then, cover it well with plastic wrap and put it in the fridge. I kept it in the fridge overnight like this. But if you don't have time, I recommend that you keep it in the fridge at least for 3-4 hours. The next day, I opened my cake that I kept in the fridge for one night. Let's slice it by wiping our knife with a napkin each time. I wanted to decorate it with sprinkles. You can decorate as you wish. Our bride's cake is ready for service. It was really soft and it has a great flavor. I am sure you will like it when you try it. To be informed about my new recipes, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications by clicking the bell icon. I'm waiting for your likes and comments. Thank you for watching my video.